Well, here we are back above Rochdale with the hills of the South Pennines all around us, and just out for a nice walk today. Should be going on for about 9 miles, maybe a little bit more, but we'll see how we get on. The weather's, you can see the sun comes out and then you've got some clouds which look like rain, to be honest, but we'll see how we get on. Should be a good day. Not sure if you can see, but it's raining over Manchester anyway, so yeah, I don't think I'm going to say dry on this one, but never mind. See what happens. To be up here, peace and quiet, apart from the turbines and the aeroplanes and the motorbikes, but apart from all that, it's lovely. So this is the highest point in the walk. You've got views all across Manchester over there, Rochdale and Oldham, and all the way out there to the Peak District. You can just see the edges over there, and you can just hear the aeroplanes from Manchester Airport, so it's peaceful-ish. This year I've been doing the country walking 1,000 mile challenge, which is basically walk 1,000 miles in the year. It's as simple as that. It's up to you what miles you count. You can count every single step you take, including popping to the shops, or you can count sort of what I say intentional walks like this one, which is what I do. But so far this year I've done 680 miles. I've lost about 18 kilograms, so about 3 stone, which is it's a nice side benefit, and yeah, it's dragged me outside sometimes when the day's a bit ropey and I don't really fancy it. Yeah, I've got to keep my average up, so it provides that just a tiny little extra bit of motivation. So that's the way the year's gone so far. I've got just over 4 months left. Probably have just less than 300 miles by the end of the month to go. So at the moment I'm all on track, so I'm quite happy about that. There's also the 500 mile challenge, which, same again, walk 500 miles in a year, which obviously I've done, which means you get to be a proclaimer. You can work that out yourself, really. Okay. Let's carry on so I can get home eventually. Not sure if you can make out the rain over there, but that's it's coming straight towards us. Thought I got away with it, but no. And you can see the I don't know if you can make out all the rain now across Manchester, which is pretty normal, to be honest. say I'm a bit more tired on this than I expected. So I think it's a bit sunnier and a bit warmer than I thought, but it's going alright. I just stopped for a 20-minute break and I think everything's stiffened up a little bit. Right, there's more rain on the way, so probably going to put the camera away for now, but yeah, that ended up being over 10 miles that walk, so quite happy with that. Just a bit tired and a bit achy now, but can't be helped. Okay then, I'll see you all later.